Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC, probably one of the best looking coins at the moment despite the drop here, even though that's quite a strong drop that came here today. It is still in the scope of what is possible in the current wave 4, okay? Even though this is getting quite complex now, this correction. Alright, so MATIC in summary is one of the strongest looking coins. Yeah, it is holding quite well, but to give more confidence that this overall breakout is over, not the breakout is over, but that this overall correction down here, yeah, was over, we have to see that next leg up that needs to take us into the region, yeah, I mean around at least to 98 cents, I would say. Yeah, better above, you know, all the way up to $1.12, I would say. Yeah, between 98 cents to $1.12, that's where this needs to go to. Yeah, and unfortunately at the moment, until this wave 4 is over and until we break above this descending trend line, that is also the trend line I mentioned to you in the last video or the last videos, we need to get above this to get more confidence that here wave 4 is over. That would probably be the best signal you can get that wave 4 is over. A breakout above this descending trend line. Now that has definitely not happened yet, and in fact we've just come down to one of my target levels at 73 cents. Yeah, because we looked at it in the previous video. Let me just double check that here. Yeah, so you take the length of that, which was, depending on how you count it, it's probably not an ABC anymore. I think it's getting a WXY, but even here, if we have the length of the wave W, and then a target would be the 100% projection, meaning that the wave Y is the same length. That is the 1-to-1 ratio, and that is here between 72 and 73 cents. This is one level I called out to you in the previous video. We got there. Yeah, we're exactly there now. We need to turn around now. I can't see any evidence yet that we are, and I'm already getting a bit doubtful now about this. Yeah, because we are pretty much maxing out this target area. This is not ideal anymore. Yeah, the ideal retracement, and I'm going to show you that as well. The ideal retracement here in this scenario would have been the 77 cent level. That's the 38.2% fib level. Going below that is possible in this wave 4, but it is quite a long wave 4. Yeah? So it's already getting a bit critical. Alternatively, it might be another 1-2-1-2. Yeah, possible, but then also below here, below 41 cents. This would then be over. I mean, this is quite a significant drop. Again, what we must not do in the current scenario is to drop below 70 cents. That would be very, very weird. Yeah, it would, well, not weird, but it in terms of this scenario, yeah. So if we go below the 70 cent level, I can't really live with the current scenario anymore. I have to change it. And then we have to expect a stronger retracement at the latest if we drop below the wave 1 high here. Just take that out here. So if we drop below the wave 1 high here at around 63 cents, then this wave 4 is completely invalidated. Now I don't want to confuse you. There's a couple of ways to count this. Yeah, I have decided to count it like a 1, 2, then another 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're waiting for the 5. That would complete then the third wave here in red. Then there would be another fourth wave down and a fifth wave up. In another scenario, which you can also count, you have here a 1, 2. All of this was just another 1, 2, then the 3, the 4, and the 5. Now, let me just show you. It would assume that this here was a 1, this a 2, this a 3, this the 4, and the 5 still coming. Yeah, also a bullish scenario, but in this scenario, I think we can already forget the wave 4. Yeah, we're already dropping a little bit too much. This is also a perfectly valid count. And I looked at that today and thought, right, I can also count it like that. the problem with this count is if I draw the fib levels, we have already dropped below the 75-cent level, so below the 50% fib level, if I measure it like that. And that would basically mean, we shouldn't be too confident that this is still a wave 4. So I'm actually starting to prefer a scenario here where we have to say, be careful. Yeah, be careful. And just change that here. Yeah, where we need to be careful and cannot be that confident anymore about this uptrend. Now, at the moment, in this scenario that you see here, it's still possible, still valid. And again, in the next possible bullish scenario, we could see it as another 1-2 setup. But even here then, yeah, if we come down further, it would be completely invalidated below 42 cents, but probably already in the alternative wave count below 52. So if we go below 52 cents, then also this 1-2 would have to be challenged, okay? So yeah, and if we go below 52 and then also 41, 42, then we really have to assume that this breakout was not finished yet, even though everything looked textbook-like, okay? And these things happen. It would surprise me a little, I have to say, yeah. But unfortunately, unlikely events happen. They do happen. Yeah, I mean, here everything looked ideal so far. Yeah, we came down here, touched perfectly this area, the 88.7% fib level, that reversal area here that was defined since November, December. We moved up, yeah, in an impulse, very nice. But again, the fifth wave is missing. The same situation that we had down here. When we had a wave 1, a 2, this could have been a 3, the 4, the 5 was missing. So yeah, it's like the last bit that is actually missing, unfortunately. So we might see, when the Fed rate decision comes, depending on what is already priced in, we might see here the decision. Yeah, but what you need to, the bottom line of this video is it's getting dangerous. Yeah, or it's getting dangerous for the current scenario. Still one of the best looking coins at the moment, and I wouldn't panic anyway, because at the moment it's not done anything. It's not done anything that is outside of the scope of the current scenario. But just be aware, if we drop below 70 cents, I think we're gonna see a much deeper retracement. First of all to 52, and then possibly 41 cents if we lose that as well. Yeah, and that's currently my view about MATIC. And again, just one more thing, a breakout above that descending trend line would, in my opinion, confirm that wave 4 is indeed over. Alright, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.